Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your lock screen PIN code on your phone. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings and scroll down until you come to lock screen, so you want to click on that. And then at the top it should say screen lock type, so you want to click on that. Then it will ask you to enter in your PIN and just select continue. Once you've done this, it'll bring up a range of options, so you can have PIN, password, pattern, swipe or none. And they'll obviously all range in security levels, and you can also add a face or fingerprint security as well. So obviously if you just want to change your PIN code, just click on PIN at the top, then just type in your new PIN code and select continue. Then you just have to confirm it, and again select OK, and that will save your PIN code on your phone. Thanks for watching.